The DF Trader platform features a special trading statistics window which provides a set of recorded data that will let you analyse your overall trading activity and help you improve your future performance. To open the trading statistics window, click on its icon in the positions window. There are 4 tabs at the top: daily, weekly, monthly and total, displaying data for the current day, week or month, or the overall statistics since opening the account. In the upper part of the table, you can check the profit loss from both your open and closed trades in the currency of the account, as well as displayed as a percentage of the daily, weekly, monthly or total profit loss. Use the Field Chooser pop-up in the desktop platform to add PL in the currency of the instrument or remove fields you don't need. The desktop platform also features a limit price improvements column, where you get to review your gains from, you guessed it, limit price improvement. For those of you not familiar with the term, this is the profit you make whenever any of your limit orders is executed at a better price than originally requested, therefore letting you earn more when the market moves favourably through the price of your limit order. There are 2 additional rows in the desktop platform: Others Profit and Others Loss. This is where you see the sum of all trades whose profit or loss is under 1% of the profit loss for the selected period. At the bottom of the table, you will find a profit loss field displaying the aggregated profit and loss for the selected period, as well as the limit price improvement stats in the desktop platform. The lower part of the trading statistics window contains 3 pie charts. The first one, Trades, shows you your executed trades broken down by instrument type. Hover over the different sections of the pie chart to see the actual number of trades with each instrument type. The profit and the loss charts present the profit or loss you have generated from each of the instrument classes you trade. Hovering over a section of the chart here will display the profit or loss from that instrument type in the currency of the account. Again, here you have the statistics for the current day, week or month. Please note that the total pie charts will give you details for the current calendar year and not for the entire lifetime of your account. The dedicated profit-loss chart displays the performance of your account, represented as a 1-day bid chart. To open the chart, click on its icon in the Positions window. In the desktop version, you can even use different technical indicators on the chart, which can help you get a better perspective on your gains and losses.